Lordship,
15, sir.
Yes, Mr. Chandra.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9 and 10 of the main list, Lordship. Lordship, this matter will require physical hearing, Lordship. I am praying if this matter can be fixed on a Tuesday, Lordship, after vacation, because Thursday being a day for virtual hearing, Lordship. I would pray that fixed after vacation, Lordship. Or
9 and 10?
Lordship.
Who's the other side? You've informed them. Where's Dr. Muzika is appearing?
Lordship, I was told they are appearing virtually, Lordship.
Yes, where are they? Where are they?
Not joined.
Any junior here? Or Dr. Muzika? No. Yes. Okay, you put it put on a Tuesday. No? Yes.
I'll oblige, Lordship.
You inform them, yes.
Lordship, I'll inform.
Yes.
Supplementary list. Item number 1.
Made, please, Lordship.
Yes, item number 1. This one, because we reserved
Yes,
it,
Lord.
thinking we'll pass together with the other judgments which have been going on intermittently. So we'll release it from CAV.
Yes.
Yes, to be heard together with the yes.
Yes, my lord, and it has to be heard together, my lord.
Yes,
It has to be heard together.
as the matters was connected to, though this matter was reserved for judgment since September 2025, as related to the other matters which are listed today, so the matters since it was released from Part yes. From CAV. Yes.
All right.
Right. Admission hearing.
Daily list. Item number 1.
Yes, who's for the petitioner? No. No representation. Where is the only? Only so only oh. It's as is reported that Ms. Enders Gupta, counsel for the petitioners on leave. This is matter after 2 weeks. Same order item number 2
Item number 3.
for rejoinders.
They will auto mute. They will unmute you once you are.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this, the respondent 4 and 5 are yet to enter appearance, Lordship.
Who's 4 and 5?
Respondent 4 and 5. The Principal Secretary of GST Commercial Tax, Uttar Pradesh, Lordship. And number 5 is Assistant Commissioner Commercial Tax, Lordship, Lakhanpur.
1 second. Vehicle has been released, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then on jurisdiction, you go there then and pursue.
Lordship, let the matter come after vacation, Your Lordship.
Four and five. Other
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, we have served by way of Dusty also, Your Lordship.
No, what happened? They even wrote to the registrar listing that the vehicle has been released. So what more do you want? You have to pursue it there. Anyway,
Lordship, let the matter come.
yes. Though the respondents number 4 and 5 are stated to have been served, and also a letter had been received from the assistant commissioner, from the respondent number 5. There's no appearance on their behalf today. In the interest of justice, list the matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. I'm here for respondent number 123, Lordship.
Yes. Oh, yes. What do you want to file affidavit?
No, Lordship. As per instructions, we don't have any role in this matter, Lordship.
Yes, MS, you report also, MS Emberchang Vice Dr. Mbozika submits that there will be no affidavit coming from the respondents 1, 2, and 3.
Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 4.
9 to 10 mentions. 9 to 10 mentions. Yes, I've already mentioned.
Where's the lawyer for the petitioner? The wakalat has been filed on behalf of the
May I please, Lordship? Yes.
Yes.
May I appearing to be? Yes,
Yes.
Lordship. Lordship, we have filed Wakalat Nama day before yesterday, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship,
it's
I want
recorded.
some time for addressing argument, Lordship, because we are.
You start today. Why? You're not ready today?
Not ready, because we are yet to receive the files, Lordship. One of our colleague has correspondence the files, the briefs, Lordship. We are yet to receive, Lordship, because of
Okay,
the.
take down. Ms. L. Rajesh, learned counsel, who's newly engaged in the matter, praised that we allowed some time to obtain all the necessary records from the earlier counsel. Yes, just after 4 weeks. Yes.
If possible, Lordship, let it be listed on Thursday, Lordship. Sorry, I may be able to assist the opportunity of High
4
Court.
weeks, yes, Thursday, yes.
Yes.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. My presence will also be recorded,
Yes.
Lordship.
Yes, oh yes. You write on Emre Chang, Vice Document, present on behalf of the respondents. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
Obliged.
5 also. 5 affidavits filed.
Lordship, we filed.
Yes, same thing. The reported incident does not leave. They have to wait for rejoinder. To Manero, to wait for rejoinder. Yes. Right. Where Dr. Muzika?
Hearing.
Lordship, he's on next
6.
before division bench, Lordship.
This division bench also. Bench number 1.
Lordship.
Where were we in this matter, Mr. Advocate General? Do you want to close them? Not audible.
Well, my lord, I have Dr. Saraf has to advance the argument, my lord.
My lord, the learned advocate general has completed his argument. I was supposed to give a reply, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, Lordship may kindly have the written submission which has been filed by the learned advocate general, my lord.
Yes.
Your Lordship may kindly see para 17, my lord.
Where rejoinder to print argument? Yeah. Not here. I copied them. Written argument. Written submissions. Written points of submission. It's not there.
The other matter, sir.
Huh?
The other matter.
The page other next file.
You'll also will find in item 60 and 402, my lord. 60 and 402.
60? 402 is here.
60 or
59.
Yes.
Yes, 59.
60 of 60 of 2024, my lord. That it was filed in.
No,
the
what
matters,
you're
Maybe
addressing
it's,
now, what you're addressing now, Dr. Saraf, is which
There
one?
was written notes.
Oh, yes. This is JB Textiles and 60 Star Cement and
Mega technical, my lord.
402 is JB Textiles, right?
Mega technical. Yes.
Yes, this is the ones, this bullet points on behalf of state respondent.
Yes, my lord.
WPC 60 of 2024, my lord.
Okay, yes. Please start.
Your Lordship may kindly see para 17, my lord.
Yes.
B, my lord.
Yes.
It says that assessment under section 45(2) have been made
Yeah.
after verification of the returns under section 30, subsection 1 of section 39, wherein power is with the concerned officer, superintendent to call for the production of the books of account. Now, a reliance has been made on the notice which was issued on 27/4/2017, which is page 17 of the opinion opposition below.
High 60. Yes. At page 17.
My lord.
Page 17 of the affidavit opposition.
My lord.
Yes. 27/4/17.
My lord.
Yes.
As submitted earlier, my lord.
Yes.
This notice was under the Assam Meghalaya Value Tax Act. You also can see in the notice itself.
Production of books of account.
Production books of account.
Yes.
And this was also not for scrutiny of the returns, because the scrutiny of the returns, the provision is altogether different. I will show to you also, my lord. And this at page 19A, in the order sheet, my lord, on 13/11/2023, my lord.
Yes.
You also got
Return scrutinized under section 39.
under section 39 Meghalaya Value Tax Act. This was also in respect of the returns submitted under the Meghalaya Value Tax Act. And these scrutiny orders are subject matter of challenge in WPC 59, 59. My lord.
Yes.
So far as the proceedings under Central Sales Tax Act is concerned, there was no scrutiny of the returns. So the submission which has been made, that the assessment was made after the scrutiny of the returns, is not correct.
So you say that there was no verification of the returns.
No. Yes, my lord. Under section 39, there was no verification. No scrutiny. Section 45 was. I think it has been mixed up with the Meghalaya Value Tax Act. Which is subject matter of challenge in WPC 59. And 60 is for Central Sales Tax Act.
Yes.
Now we will also see D.
Yes.
That even otherwise section 45(1) can be invoked when the superintendent taxes is not satisfied that the return furnished are correct and complete.
Yes.
Well, so far as this, that the power under section 45 can be invoked, if your lordship just looks into the section 45. which is reproduced in the page 11 of the petition below.
Yes.
Just below, I read 2 lines below. 45 at page 11. If no returns are furnished by a registered dealer in respect of a period by the prescribed date, or if the commissioner is not satisfied that the returns furnished are correct and complete, the commissioner shall proceed in such manner as may prescribe.
Best judgment.
So, my lord, so the precondition is that the commissioner must be satisfied that the returns are not correct and complete, and thereby thereafter he can proceed for making the best judgment assessment. Now in this case, if your lordship looks at page 43
Of the writ petition.
of the petition, my lord,
Writ petition. 60.
143, my lord.
No, 143. No, WBC 60, right?
60, my lord, I am dealing with 60, my lord.
Page 143.
My lord.
Same one we appeared, I think. Yes.
Well, this is the assessment order.
Annex to 160. And then you can make 2%.
My lord, in the that is 160, my lord, in the I think it will be 160 because in the consolidated petition after amendment.
Yes, that he 7/11/22.
My lord, my lord.
Ending 3607.
My lord, the last line of the order you'll also see. After passing
Hence
the
return submitted can be accepted as complete, correct.
can be accepted as complete and correct, and the so and so is completed, and the subsequent one we will also see.
Yes.
Because
160.
in one case it says the correct and complete. And at page 170, the last line, my lord.
Yes.
Hence, the return submitted cannot be accepted as correct and complete. So, my lord, in respect of the periods where the assessing officer has observed that the returns are correct and complete, the power under section 45 cannot be exercised at all,
Yes.
because the precondition is that
Not being satisfied.
not satisfied that the correct
Yeah.
returns are correct and complete.
Yes.
So if the satisfaction is that, my lord, the returns are correct and complete, the question of invoking the powers under section 45 does not arise.
Mm. Yes.
Now, in respect of the periods where the authority has come to the conclusion
Not
that the
complete.
returns
Yes.
correct and complete, that satisfaction you'll also will find in the section that first of all this satisfaction has to be arrived, then only the authority can proceed for making the best judgment assessment. Here, the authority is observing in the order that the returns are not correct and complete. When the authority, there is a precondition that the satisfaction must be there that the returns are not correct and complete. And thereafter, only the authority can proceed in the manner prescribed, that is to make the best judgment assessment. The authority, the satisfaction or the order which observation which has been made in the order is not in compliance with section 45(1) of the Act. As your lordship is aware, my lord, then when, like in the section 147 of the Act, the reason to believe has to be recorded, and then the proceeds can be made for the assessment or reassessment. That satisfaction must be arrived at before proceeding to make the assessment. Here, no such satisfaction has been arrived at prior to making of the assessment, but the satisfaction has been arrived at after making the assessment.
Yes.
So, in my humble submission, in both the cases, the conditions have not been fulfilled. In the cases where the assessing officer has found that the returns are correct and complete, the question of invoking the powers under section 45 does not arise at all. And in the second cases, my lord, the precondition has not been fulfilled, and thereby the question of invoking the powers under section 45 does not arise.
Yes.
Now we'll also see para 18, my lord, that at this point it is also equally relevant to highlight the delegation of powers commissioner, inasmuch as wide notification dated 16/4/2007, the powers under section 45 have been delegated to superintendents. However, there is no delegation of powers under section 55 to the superintendents, which remains with the Commissioner of Taxes. My lord, in the written submission which has been sent to me, this notification which has been annexed, it has not been forwarded. So I am not aware that what is the notification dated 16/4/2007. Your lordship may kindly examine it in the light of the submissions which I have advanced before lordship, and in pursuance to the relevant provisions of the Act and the rules, whether there was a delegation of the powers in terms of the provisions of the Act and the rules to the superintendent under section 45 of the Act. But one thing they have made it very clear that the 55, that is audit assessment.
16/4 is next year. It's not here. It's not here in our copy also. Yes.
In my copy also it is not there.
Yes, my lord. Actually, I'll just, Dr. Saraf concludes the argument, my lord. Then I'll just make the submission, my lord, on this.
No. There's a notification referred to in your submission.
Yes, my lord.
16/4. Like, it's not here in the. It's not been tagged together with this.
It's not annexed, my lord. I'll check, my lord. Okay. Because I see that notification of delegation, my lord, is in my papers. It is notified in the Gazette, my lord, and that is on. I'll place it on record, my lord.
Yes.
So, but without we going through it, that what is the notification, it is very difficult to advance the argument on this score. So I am handicapped, my lord.
Of course, even we are handicapped. We don't have a copy of this notification.
We'll place it, my lord.
Because
I argued, my lord, on not on this, but there are other points on which I argued.
Of course, other
And,
points.
I did.
Other points I will
And
argue.
I did not take the tribunal to this honorable court to this point, but since Dr.
If you are
Saraf
not-
has
if you
raised
are
this
not
issue, my lord,
If the learned AG is
Will-
not taking this point, then whatever point I've argued on the delegation.
I'll
of
place it
powers-
I'll place it, my lord. I'll place it on record. It's there with me, my lord. Notification of delegation of power.
But my lord, the question is that.
Because there are now, my lord, there are three matters. My lord, there are three matters: 59, 60, and 402, my lord.
No, in 59.
So now,
my question-
what Dr. Saraf has argued, my lord, that 59, the scrutiny notice under section 39 is under challenge. 60, Dr. Saraf is saying that the notice under MVAT Act was issued and therefore it is a separate matter. It is a subsequent matter.
You may not reply. Only we are not only on the delegation of powers.
So, my lord, what I was just making one submission. So then all three matters, my lord, will be required to be heard together: 59, 60, and 402.
No,
Because
59 has
issues
already
are,
been heard. 59 has already
Because
been heard.
now- yes, it was heard, and today it was listed so that because it was reserved for judgment, and
No,
there
no,
are issues
59.
which are overlapping.
No.
59 is to be spoken
No.
to, my lord. It was supplementary one.
Oh, yes.
To be spoken
Supplementary
to.
one.
But to be
Supplementary
spoken to,
one.
To be spoken to means, my lord, the.
Because as your lordship, my submission is, my lord, this matter 59 was heard long time back, my lord. Your lordship will have to recapitulate the facts
Yes.
and submission. And as Dr. Saraf has just now pointed out, my lord, that there are overlapping issues in 59 and 60. What he has shown to your lordship is that notice issued under Meghalaya Act, my lord. So therefore, my lord, all three matters will be required to be heard together.
My lord, in my humble submission, I'm very sorry to say, my lord, in this way the matters will never be. There will no end to the hearing. This matter 39, which was argued by Leonard AG, the matter was completed. Now again he says that the matter will have to be heard again.
See, Dr. Saraf, whatever it is, that time when last year the matter was heard, seeing that it is not related to the other matters, correct? And so, and the understanding was that these other connected matters would be heard expeditiously, maybe within 2 or 3 weeks, and so we could reserve all the judgments together. But what happened is that due to some reason or the other, VPS was going round and round, and we were holding on to judgment, intending to pass it together with these connected matters, but then that didn't happen, and so that has compelled us to relist it again to see release it from CAV, and then we will hearing it again. If Archival General insists, maybe we have to refresh ourselves, but then it's up to you senior counsels to decide. We are here, so at least we want to put a quietus to this entire matter.
We
Beating
would like to
around the
assist your
bush
lordship.
enough.
We would like
That's
to-
the only thing. You take a date, then you produce a notification, and we'll hear it, and we'll finish off the next
Yes,
date,
yes,
positively, no adjournment.
Because, my lord,
Yes, kindly. Yes,
We understood, Dr. Saraf, we understood your point regarding, the whether 45 is attracted at all. So you see, in those cases where there's always the subjective satisfaction is there with the returns, then 45 won't come. Best judgment will not come. And the other part is that even if they're not satisfied, but then the preconditions are not met, and so in both situations, 45 was not attracted.
The other conditions also there,
Yes, other conditions, of course, but then.
Leonard
Okay.
AG has also argued.
Yes, we will argue today, since you cannot have. We will rehear 59. That's your understanding. Just a short recap, and also take up this 60 and 402 together.
So, my lord,
But no further adjournment.
Both the matters will be taken up together, my lord.
Yes. No, just a short recap 59, and then because 402, 60 are linked.
In fact, those two matters are interconnected.
59, 60.
Yes.
Yes. So we'll have a recap.
Yeah, 60, 402 also. my lord.
Wait, please, your lordship. Interim order on item number 6 may be extended, lordship.
Number.
I'm ordering all the cases, my lord.
On all cases, in terms of extended till further orders. Yes. No further adjournments.
8.
You look at this.
Item number 8.
Lordship, fixing up the matter on, my lord.
Whatever date you choose, but we will not try that to adjourn any longer. We are a bit tired also of this matter.
Item number 8.
Can it be on 4th?
pleasure.
4th. Okay, 4th June.
4th June, Milord.
4th June is?
Thursday.
Okay, it's 4th June.
I'm grateful to Lordship, Milord. It is always a pleasure to have you for Lordship.
Thank you. Yes.
Any mention?
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'd like to mention one urgent listing for tomorrow, Your Lordship. The urgency in this matter because this due process was not followed in passing the impugn order.
What is the matter about?
Your Lordship, the impugn order was passed without following due process.
No, what is the matter about? It concerns what department?
This is with regards to the JHDC, Your Lordship. The CM of JHDC has passed the impugn order, and subsequent to that, the eviction notice.
Regarding what matter subject?
With regards to the eviction notice was issued to me, Your Lordship.
Eviction order was issued to you?
Yes.
Who are you? You're a shopkeeper?
We had the occupancy of one plot of land, Your Lordship. We had a sweepers occupying a colony, Your Lordship. So eviction proceeding was.
Without process.
Pardon, Your Lordship.
Without process meaning?
Meaning notice was not issued to me before the impugn order was passed, Your Lordship. And I was directed to vacate this plot of land within 30 days.
Okay. When was the notice issued?
On 28th of April. It's expiring on the 28th next week, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Back to mention on item number 44, Your Lordship. I'm praying if Your Lordship can have this matter after vacations.
Lordship, respondent number 4 and 5, Your Lordship.
This is freezing?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why you not join it?
I'll have it through physical mode, Your Lordship.
If all the fuel runs out next week, what will happen? Yes, after 1 week, after vacation. Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 6 in this case, Madam.
Yes.
Item 44.
44. Yes, very good. Yes.
44. Madam, publish.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 45, Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, we were supposed to file an affidavit to bring on record certain circumstances as regards to the CM, the acting CM, Lordship. So, Lordship, I need more time for instructions, Lordship, as instructions have not been forthcoming till date.
We understand the difficulty.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, after 2 weeks. Yes.
4 weeks, Lordship, because as it is, the HIMA is quite in shambles at the moment.
Yes, Mr. Any objection?
2 weeks, Malone.
2 weeks, let's see what happens.
Yes, Lordship.
Take a call.
Yes, Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Obliged, Malone.
May I please, Your
May I please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 35, Your Lordship. Item number 35, Your Lordship.
To the other side.
I'm for the other side, my lord. I'm for the district council.
It's the district council, Your Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Day.
My lord, I have no objection. Let it come after 3 weeks, my lord. It's the NOCMA matter.
2 weeks. Yes.
My lord.
24 matter, yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship. My Lord, I seek Your Lordship permission to an urgent writ petition to be taken up tomorrow. It has been filed already.
Regarding?
My Lord, this is filed by the university, my Lord. What happened in this case, Your Lordships? There was a class 1 officer of the university. Against him, there was some allegation of sexual harassment. So ICC conducted an inquiry. Now, as per section 18, it says that if any person aggrieved by the recommendation of the ICC, so he can go to the court in normal course where from his service condition, the proceeding will lie. Now he has gone to the level court. Now I appeared before the level court and I say it's not maintainable. He's a class 1 officer. He admitted, level court admitted he is not a workman. But still hold that no, they have the jurisdiction. So that will set a very wrong precedent tomorrow. Okay.
Yes,
I beg to mention item number 37, Lordship. Here in this case, Your Lordship, the lower court of the assistant to DC, Tura has fixed again on the 28th this month for settlement.
Yes, Your Lordship, it's been almost 2 years now, Your Lordship.
Again, it's fixed for, not for judgment, it's fixed for settlement again, Lordship.
There's no settlement talks.
Not yet, Lordship. On the 28th, they have fixed.
They will hear it after 2 weeks, yes.
I'm also there in item number 37, my lord.
Okay, very good. Yes, after 2 weeks.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to please, Your Lordship. 41, Your Lordship. It's a joint request with MPSC. It should appear online.
Lordship, I'm for respondent 3, Your Lordship, in this item 41.
41. Your Lordship.
Who's that person?
41.
Emerching is there.
Miss
Your Lordship, I am there for respondent 3. Your Lordship.
Where's I can see who's talking. Who's the one who's submitting?
Miss
Oh,
P. Karwan.
Your Lordship, I am there
okay,
for
okay.
respondent 3.
But we
Your
can't
Lordship.
see you. Yes. Yes, you have no objection. Yes, MS.
Your Lordship, is a joint request.
Joint
Your
request.
Lordship.
Okay, yes. Nidalin Yakai.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, yes.
Nidala Yakai, Your Lordship.
Highly obliged.
Your Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item 42, Your Lordship.
Where are you? We can't see you also.
Your Lordship, my camera, it's not working.
Vishramir, who's there?
I'm appearing for the state respondents, Your Lordship.
Okay, yes.
This
No
matter has just come back from mediation, Your Lordship.
Mediation, Your Lordship.
Yes, the matters
Highly obliged.
for mediation are being unsuccessful. Just for hearing after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Highly obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention.
Yes. Yes, Emerching. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 46, Lordship.
Who's for the petitioner?
Mr. Bidap is for the petitioner, Lordship.
You've
We tried to
informed him?
contact them, Lordship, but they're unreachable.
Okay, yes. 2 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Yes, MS Bajo.
I beg to mention item 33, Your Lordship. Going for 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Why?
The conducting counsel, he is out of station, Your
Miss
Lordship.
Hazarika?
Yes.
You argue it?
I
Give
don't
2 weeks. Yes.
oblige.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 43 of daily list.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Dr. P. Agarwal for respondent number 3 and 4. Due to some personal difficulty, the conducting counsel won't be able to appear. Matter may be kindly be taken after 2 weeks.
Have you informed other side?
Yes, Your Lordship. I am for a petition, Your Lordship.
Okay. No objection?
No objection, Your Lordship.
Okay. Yes.
That's the interim order that may be continued, Your Lordship.
Interim order to continue. Yes.
May I please, Your
Yes.
Lordship? I beg to mention item number 34, Lordship.
24 or 34?
34, Lordship.
What other side? You are there, Mr. Abraham?
Yes, Lordship.
Any objection?
Your Lordship,
No objection, Your Lordship.
Who's there? MS CB Sawian is there. You have objection to
Your
government?
Lordship.
You
No, Your
have?
Lordship.
No.
No, Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes.
Highly obliged.
May it please Your Lordship, Your Lordship, I would also like to mention item number 38.
Who's for the
Your
side?
Lordship, I pray this matter may come up after vacations.
No objection.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 39.
Mr. Sen is here.
So the
He's arguing the matter.
Your Lordship, the matter just came from mediation, Your Lordship. The mediation was unsuccessful.
Nongjong village.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. 39.
Respondent number 6, Your Lordship. I'm for respondent number 6, Lordship. No objection.
Matter since then. Term edition being successful. This matter for hearing after 2 weeks. Yes.
Your Lordship, interim order may continue till the next
Interim
day.
order we need to continue until next date. Yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Right, Your Lordship.
Yes, where were you? Your matter has been adjourned. Which matter you are mentioning?
46, Your Lordship.
Already adjourned.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 40.
40 is
Contempt petition, Lord.
Your Lordship, I pray for 3 weeks' time.
Who's your leading counsel?
Archival, Your Lordship.
No, wait, 3 weeks. 2 weeks, okay, yes. Your objection?
No objection, Lord.
Much obliged.
Obliged, Lord.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Nath. What is this? Yes. What happened to him? Yes, Mr. Nath.
No audio.
You are not audible. What's the case about?
My lord, it is a service matter, my lord.
Mr. Nath. He's not hearing us also, I think.
My lord, let a madam may come up at the end of the board, my lord.
Tomorrow?
At the end of the board. But tomorrow also.
Can't hear. But with sign language, Susan understanding. No, it's after some time. You just phone him. Ring him.
Item,
Yes.
item number 2.
He's already finished his submission right now.
What is it?
Your Lordship have filed an application for implement of the opposite party as respondent number 6, Your Lordship.
Yes, there's an application for completion of the opposite party name here. He's registrar, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Registrar Nehu as party. No objection. The same objected to. Miss case allowed. The opposite party, that is registrar Northeastern University Nehu campus, shall be added as respondent number.
Respondent number 6.
Number 6 in the main writ petition. Stop registry to make the necessary corrections. In this case, dispose of. Yes.
3.
Similar, Your Lordship.
Yes. See similar order.
4.
Similar, Your Lordship.
Similar order. Yes.
Alright.
5.
Lordship. This with regard to the Jingdian Yam, Your Lordship. The rituals have been, the dates have been fixed on the 27th till 1st June, Your Lordship. The names have been recommended, and even the Lingdo has submitted the names to the SEM, Your Lordship. In this case, 5 representatives of the 5 courts are there. So in that, since the matter is similar to the petition of 183, Your Lordship, similar directions can be passed as directed in order 23/5/2025, Your Lordship.
My lord, the
Yes.
the respondent number, my lord, the main respondent is the Sankor Harvikor, my lord, in this case, because they are the one who are supposed to, they are supposed to perform the rituals, my lord.
Respondent number?
4, my lord.
Number 4.
They are the main.
No, number 4 is Mintri Sankur Harvikur by Chairman Link Score.
Who's he?
What?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, your submissions are that? Who's given the names?
The Lingdo, Your Lordship.
In my case, where I have filed a miscase, in the other case, I have filed a miscase, and in that case, filed one.
Your Lordship, I'm there for respondent number 4.
One affidavit, whereby I have brought on record the list of names, one letter that was submitted before the same.
Resolution.
So we have given the list of names of people, the representatives of the Sankur Harvikor, belonging to the Niyamkasi faith, who will perform the ritual.
That have to come from the core, my lord. It cannot be suggested by him, my lord, if at all.
It was done similar way, even in the past.
My lord, the respondent number 4.
Where's the affidavit?
Your Lordship.
Let us get the basic premises straight first. Now, what has happened here is that now they've come with a writ petition, Mr. Sinkram.
Yes.
That those who can perform the rituals only have to practice engineering because it's religious practice. Correct?
Yes.
And then the what's that? Sankur Kharvikur, Lingdo of Sankur Kharvikur. Lingdo, right?
Yes, no,
Chairman.
The Sankur Kharvikur, they're the mantris, my lord.
Yeah, Mantri. Oh, he's to perform the.
Not he, they are to perform, my lord. From the Sankur Kharvikur.
They are to
along with the Lingdo, my lord.
Along with the Lingdo. Now, Lingdo is a convert.
No, it's Niam.
Okay, Lingdo is indigenous. Okay. Then Niam Khasi. Then the chairman is.
Mantri Sankur Kharvikur.
Who's the Mantri of Sankur Kharvikur?
All 16 of them, my lord. All the 16.
16. 16 of them.
As per my knowledge.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, 1 second. Now it is in your case, Mr. Sinkram. This is WC 197, correct?
Yes.
Come your course title. Course title at the first page. Representation dated 24/2026. Filed member of Sankur Kharvikur and General Court regarding this function. Remove the Ministry of Right William belongs to Niam Tara and Niam Khasi.
That was filed before.
Yes?
That was filed.
This is filed by the Sankur Kharvikur.
No, my lord. By them personally. This is a public, general public.
In the course title is in representation dated filed by the members of Sankur Kharvikur.
No, my lord. They are the general public, my lord.
Where's the representation?
That your lordship will find at
page
26. 26 is
No.
translated
In
copy.
your petition.
Translated.
Yes,
26.
page 26.
26.
Yes.
That's a translated copy, my lord.
Okay. Yes. But then why do you write in the course title that filed member of Sankur Kharvikur?
The members of the Kur, your lordship.
Other members.
They are
Yes.
belongs to the clan.
The Kur.
Okay. Okay.
So number 3 that was addressed to the CMO Milli, my lord.
Okay. What was it? Okay.
Meeting was called for on 8th of May. Issues were raised. Matters was taken up by the CM along with the mantris of Sankur Kharvikur. Both the petitioners in this case were present in the meeting, and resolution has been submitted to this honorable court, my lord. That your lordship will find in the
Now you come to para 5 of at page 28. Last year was done by only the Niam Khasi. Yes. It was done by Niam Khasi people only.
Yes.
That was a different situation altogether, my lord, if your lordship recollect.
No, last time they refused to.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, and
Yes,
so
my lord.
yes.
Yes, my lord.
That
Totally
was,
different situation.
Your Lordship, if I may.
Yes.
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 But this year we have made the preparation, Your Lordship. This year we have already made all the preparation for. Your Lordship, in this matter, Sir, our learned senior, Sir K. Paul, will be leading the case on behalf of for respondent number 4.
I'm here, Milad. Milad, I would like to draw your Lordship's kind attention to the prayer made in the miscellaneous application, Milad.
No, we are still in Mr. Sinkram.
This is regarding item number 6.
Item 6, Milad.
This is related matters, Your Lordship.
Yes. They do not reply to this representation.
No, Your Lordship.
Okay, that is one. This is 197, correct?
Yes, Lordship.
197 representation by members of Sankur Kharvikur. Yes. Now the thing is that these ministries, they conduct it, or what role do they play? What role do they have to play in the ritual?
They're part of the rituals.
Your Lordship, if I may submit, Your Lordship, if I may submit on behalf of the Ministry. All these years, the rituals are conducted by the Ministry of Sankur Khadwaikur along with the Rungdo. That has been continuous for the past, for so many years. It was only in the year 2025 when first the petitioner in the writ petition 183 came before this Honorable Court. Because of some problems within the parties, the rituals could not be conducted. That's why the petitioner came before this Honorable Court.
Yeah.
But this year, Your Lordship, we have already made all the preparations, along with the Lungdo, who is the petitioner in writ petition 183 of 2025. The petitioner in the present petition of 197, they took part in the last year rituals as per the direction given by this Honorable Court as a stopgap arrangement, just so that the ritual
No, now they're asking for.
stopped.
See, now they're asking something else. The thing is that the complexion has changed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now what they're saying is that now that for the smooth functioning of the rituals as happened last year, because according to them only members of the Khasi they conducted rituals last year. Now what the school wants to do, whether the Mintri, he conducts the rituals himself or he just facilitates the rituals.
Yes, they conduct the ritual themselves, Your Lordship.
He does sacrifice and all.
Yes, Your Lordship.
If I may just come in here.
Yes.
Well, if your Lordships kindly have the affidavit that's been filed by respondent number 4, my lords, in the miscellaneous application, it has been specifically pointed out what is the role ascribed to every Mantri. This is the affidavit filed yesterday, my lords. My lords, may kindly have a look at paragraph number 9. This is the affidavit filed by respondent number 4, my lords.
See, it should not be any kind of head-breaking situation. That's all. Everything ritual should go. That's the thing. And so even the mentries or even the CM should see that it's whatever has been practiced is a ritual which should be done. And if there's some things being some problems have been created, and if they feel that a person does not profess the faith anymore, because it stands to reason also. The thing is that if he's a convert, he'll not be able, then the satisfaction will not be there also. Yes.
Well, I'll have to take your Lordships to the Sabrimala issue then. But well, just to answer the issue, what has fallen from my Lords, kindly have a look at paragraph 9. Now, this is from that book, which is narrated, my Lords, exactly what is the role ascribed to every Mantri. If my Lords have page 4, para 9.
Yes, yes.
Now, next page, my Lords, page 5, your Lordships, may kindly go to page 5.
Yes, yes.
My Lords, the Lingsor of the Sotun clan is the one who would perform the ritual. The Mintri of the Nongklau would perform the prayer. The Mintri of the Kurklang would begin the Sonso of the ritual. The Mintri of the Kharkungor would perform the sacrificial act of the animal and also the rooster, and also offer the prayer. The Mintri of Sonso is the one who would hold the sacrifice animal, and other 10 Mintris from different clans would distribute the betel nut. So it is, my Lords, a concerted act by all the Mintris together. It's not any one person who performs the rituals.
No, see, the thing is that now, whether the Sankur Khadwikur, because of this thing, as per the custom also, that if suppose the Mintri, they have objections to him, that that because of his faith, that the rituals are performed, they add sort of sanctity to it. Now it's up to the Sankur Khadwikur to nominate anyone else also, as has been done last year. What happened last year? Yes, that is what. So whether you can facilitate something like that, just that we understand respondent 4 and all the 10 Mintris they've arranged for the rituals. Now whether just for the smooth performance, we're not taking away the functions or not taking away your power. The only thing is that now to facilitate the smooth conduct of these rituals and pujas, whatever, whether the Sankur Khadwikur they can send someone else who has not converted. That's all.
My Lords, your Lordships would kindly appreciate one thing.
Yes.
The Dorbar, my Lords, was convened. All the Mintris were present, my Lords. The same was present. In that, it has been resolved, my lords, that the ritual now takes place on the 27th.
Where's that?
And my
The
lords,
result
what is
again?
more important is I would like to take.
When was the meeting held?
I'm
Where's
sorry,
that? Have you put in the affidavit?
The date, I think my friend.
So is it here in the affidavit?
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, since the ritual could not be held on the 19th, we have decided that we have only another week because the ritual has to be completed by the end of May.
Yes.
Then we have the dates that are suitable for this ritual is from the 27th up to the up to 1st of June. We have decided that since this week, because of the stay order that was passed by the Honorable Court, we have stopped the ritual for this week. Then the only available dates is 27th up to 1st of June. That decision was taken by the Sankur Khatwekar, the Dorbar. And Your Lordship, regarding your question regarding that the Sankur Khatwekar can nominate other persons. But Lordship, that decision has to come from the Dorbar Kur. There should be approval from the Dorbar Kur whom to send to perform the ritual.
That is what who's appearing for. You are appearing for the Darbar for the Sankur Khatwekar, correct?
Yes.
So if that can be put to your own Darbar, that find if there's a thing that situation not escalate to something else, that you decide and you send on the day of the rituals, you send on the people who profess the indigenous faith. That was done last year.
We are ready to perform.
That was done last year.
Yes, because of the direction of this Honorable Court.
My lords, if I may just come in here, if your lordships kindly have a look at the prayer in the miscellaneous application once, my lords, I think, my lords, we are banging our head about nothing at this stage.
Which miscellaneous?
My lords, may kindly have a look at the miscellaneous application, my lords, which is there at page 12. Because it's run its course. There is nothing left in this miscellaneous application.
Prayer 147.
Yes.
Page 12.
That was my.
At page 12, my lords, may kindly have a look.
That is to stay the.
Yeah.
But my lords, to stay the religious performance intended to be performed on 19/5/2026. So there was an interim order that has been passed by this Honorable Court, my lords, on 18/5/2026, limiting the interim order for performance of the ritual on the 19th. So insofar as this miscellaneous application is concerned, my lords, this has run its course. Nothing survives.
No, the other part of prayer still there. With substantive prayers that they ask for stay because they don't want that it be conducted by people who have converted. That's all. That again cannot be sustained. Anyway, yes, please make a submission. Where's the thing? No, please, Mr.
Your Lordship, if I may make a small submission.
Wait. Just listen. Where to stick the meeting? You said the meeting was fixed on that time.
8th, my lord.
No, where is that? Where is it?
My lord, kindly, if your lordship come to the
affidavit.
Miss case number 147, my lord.
Where is the affidavit?
Miss case 147. 147.
Yes, see that. What decided there? Because Mr. Roy says that it was already decided at that time. Yes, my lord. Where is that?
Annexure 4, page 34, my lord. In the miss case.
Annexure 4. Okay.
Page 37, my lord, will find what the same has decided, my lord.
Exactly. That's what. He is the completion authority. Where is that?
Page 37, my lord. Second last paragraph, my lord.
This is Khasi.
Yes, my lord. It will be more clear in Khasi than the translated copy.
Second last paragraph.
Second last paragraph. Usi rangba hagapai pukot upulpao.
Yes.
Wait. Huh?
Yeah, that's the order only. It's asked the clan to fix it.
No, if they have any objection,
Your Lordship,
they should go to the clan.
If I may make, Your Lordship, if
Yes.
I may make a submission.
Yes.
As per the affidavit filed by the petitioner in the writ petition number 183, where they have submitted the names.
Where the affidavit?
The affidavit filed by the writ petitioner in WPC number 183, where they have submitted certain names of clans.
Yes.
Suggested.
Yes. Your Lordship, the ritual, number one, the ritual is to be conducted by the Sankur Khatwaikur.
Yes, correct.
It's not only by the, yes. And here the names are only from the 5 Kurs or Sankur, but the Kur are 16. Sankur Khatwaikur along with the Lengdo. That is point number 1, Your Lordship. Second is, who authorized these people to represent the respective Kur? There is no authorization from the respective Kur that these person will represent their Kur. There should be an approval from the Dorbar Kur.
Okay, let's rewind back a bit. Okay, now this order of this aim, it says that, that Sankur Khatwaikur has to finish rituals. Doesn't name Mantri anybody. So it says that it's up to the wisdom.
No, the first line.
See, kata kasong makin.
If they have any objection to that.
Just see. You see what it says here. Usim lapan pa na kaliang jong ukum usim ukul adap lagi songkia bani bodan ki jimbung di songtu tu kun wajar happening kun hajar karai million bat ki menteri Sankur Khatwaikur ado kali niam karai because Sankur Khatwaikur has to run the rituals but it affects the entire population of the Raj. But ukwa bakan long ka buro me karai berkehima bagade ban long ka jinga ma berklik no ya ka baja ki snam paladem babani trade lang ni Shekhman to work together henceforth. But puntibru banakaliang usim undon lang but pi ki menteri Sankur Khatwaikur barki kun hajar so that menteri Sankur Khatwaikur will be there plus the kun hajar bagani le nam kan long ka ba job ba shong kun hakaba ki menteri lajit ki kur fer pher jong Sankur ki pendep ki le nam jaga raj but ekatan si persya jong pi ba ki menteri Sankur Khatwaikur ki ba long kestan ki mla chuban le nam kata kasong ko kur jong pi ban kerpa ikun hajar makin late shala ki jong ban bania penbej jala ki kur jong ki halor ki negam. So that is what. So what this court is also observing is that now if this is the only objection that's there, so Sankur Khatwaikur can perhaps to facilitate the smooth conduct of the rituals and not to offend the religious sentiments of the people who are still following Niam Kasi, that that you send the people to take part in rituals who are still not converts. That's all.
Your Lordship, if I may point out here,
because the thing is that whatever it is now, what has happened? They said last year that was done by Sankur Khatwaikur. The people who were from the Sankur Khatwaikur who took part in the rituals or who conduct the rituals were nominated by Sankur Khatwaikur who had not converted. That's the only thing. It boils down
so
to.
Your Lordship, even last year, the people who took part, there were some who were Christians. The Mantri from the Sinteng Nongdhar took part, who is a Christian. And even this year also, that's why I wanted to point out.
No, he can be present. See, Mr. Sometimes he can be present. But the thing is that to conduct the rituals.
Your Lordship, the name number 5. I just want to point out number 5. The list submitted by the petitioner before this honorable court in the form of affidavit.
Yes, where's the list? Number 5. Guilford.
Here's a Mantri. Page 3 of the affidavit. Page 3.
Yes.
Guilford Sinteng Nongdhar. He's a Mantri. He's not from the indigenous faith, Your Lordship. Even last year he took part. This year they gave his name also. He is a Christian.
He conducted the ritual.
He has converted to Christianity. Yes, last year also, even this year he gave the name, his name also.
As per our belief, my lord, he still follows the Niyam Kasi faith, as per our knowledge, my lord.
Okay. So he says that he is not converted.
He has converted.
So to you he says he is not converted. To them he says he is not converted. He is converted. So
yes.
So maybe he doesn't profess in religion also. Doesn't matter. Yes.
My lord, name has already been submitted, my lord.
My lords, may I make a suggestion subject to what my lords feel?
Because you understand, you have to understand, Mr. Paul, the sentiments, because this is not a new matter. It's come, and in this area, like we had occasion to read from before with regard to this, so we don't want to exaggerate any, the thing is that Sankur Khatwaikur to understand, they can send someone, the Mantris can be there, they'll be part of the entire ceremony. You conduct it, finish, because it's very important for them. There are only two rituals a year. One is
what my lords,
yes.
my suggestion was on similar lines that it should not be, my lords, the substantive issues remaining before your lordships. Only issues, my lords, that the ritual has to happen on the 27th.
That's what happened, yes. That's all.
So, my lords, I am only saying that your lordships may direct all the parties, my lords, that they should, my lords, work it out amongst themselves, so that the ritual should go on.
No, the only thing is for Mr. Sandram's clients, the Sankor, he only has to say, okay, fine, we will be there. We will nominate these people who are unconverted to conduct the rituals. That's it.
Well, it cannot be left to the petitioner to, but it cannot be left to the petitioner to nominate. Well, if it
No, we're not looking at nomination. We are asked, what this court is proposing is that now Mr. Sandram will go back to his clients and say that this is what the court feels. That fine, you will be parts, since it is intrinsic that Sankor High holds does rituals, correct? But those mantris who have converted will not conduct ritual. They'll be there. Who will conduct the rituals will be the non-converts of Sankor High. That's it.
But that decision has to be taken by the Dorbar Court.
That's why. So you have time. You have time till 27th. So that's the only thing. So you make them understand. I'm sure you can make them understand. Because this affects religious sentiment.
But your lordship, we have no problem in conducting the ritual. That is what we have been.
But you see,
all this
you look at the larger picture of the other people who are following the Nyamkas. They feel, that I can understand. Suppose, you can't expect, a mullah or someone to come and conduct a Christian service like that. You won't accept that. It's the same thing. So you can't expect, okay, fine, it's fine, by office is there. He can't come and conduct a service, a religious function for others. But if from the community, they can send someone. This is all part of secularism and, this all give and take. Like the CM said, that it has to be, there has to be forgiveness and, understanding between the sides. Because you're all living in one Raj, and that is very important. It's like that. So we have to think in that way. It's a question of, one side, what do you call it, trying to overcome the other. That's not the case. That's the only thing.
The only question is whether this honorable court will, then get into that exercise.
No, that exercise can be resolved at their level only. The only thing is that they only have to, they only have to tell those people that, okay, fine, to conduct the rituals, like they will send those people who are converts, and the mantris all can be there. They have to be part, because they are also sponsoring the entire event. I mean, the rituals. Is that correct, Mr. Zram?
Yes, your lordship, regarding the preparation, all the preparation have been made as per the practice. The usanyang banai from all the tikun ke hajar has already been collected.
Right, that's one.
We have made
So
in that case, your lordship, in that case, then the list submitted by the petitioner should not be accepted.
No, we're not acting upon the list. No, but you please, we post it tomorrow.
Let them
we are always open as long as
let
this performed by people belonging to the faith.
Sankor Khatwaikor should take necessary action so that the ritual is held by the 27th.
Let the list be submitted by them tomorrow.
And Mr. Sandram, you submit the list by tomorrow. Yes.
Because they are mantri, they are already there, my lord. They are the representative of the Sankor Khatwaikor.
Yes.
So they can sit and decide.
They can send the names. Let them have the ritual.
My lord.
Yes.
Okay, I'll take necessary instruction from my client.
But it should be in conjunction with the Lindo, my lord. He is the priest. So, my lord, even Lindo should also be called, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, of course. Yes. That is a given. The what and where should we pass the order? There's a miscase, there's an old writ petition, there's a new writ.
Let it be in the miscellaneous application, because that is the current.
That is the, okay.
If I may,
147. Interim order was passed in 147.
I think this is the second or third time coming from that place, Your Lordship. What I'm submitting, Your Lordship, a line has to be drawn.
You've come from that place, meaning?
I mean, Milliam, Your Lordship. In the last occasion also, this kind of thing happens, Your Lordship. What I would submit, Your Lordship, a line has to be drawn, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if the district council present, Your Lordship, they can't follow what the Jadil district council has done in the case of Jawai Ilaka, Your Lordship.
My lord, the act is there, my lord. We'll have to follow as per the acts and rules.
This
has been framed under the Milliam Sanctuary.
From the affidavit filed, Your Lordship, if I may take, Your Lordship, the affidavit, Your Lordship, the issue is very sensitive, Your Lordship. If Lordship, can you have this case filed by?
Well, it's,
No, that we've seen that, Mr. Shulai. That's why, because of the sensitivity of the issue, that is why the court is trying to work out a via media where that, none of the sentiments of either side are affected. And by office also they occupying, now the larger issues, now the larger issue will come later, whether a person who is a convert can occupy a traditional office which has, these religious duties also.
Lordship, the affidavit filed by the respondent number 4, your Lordship, at paragraph.
Substantive issue, my lords, will hear us at a later date.
That the Lindo holds a
For the time being, let this issue.
Yes, of course.
Back to your lordship.
Yes, right. We'll just pass orders now. 147. Where's the order sheet? Yes, sir. This instant matter.
Stay was passed in this case 147, Mano.
Yes, this instant matter. I've received the attention of this court again by the Mrs. Application number 147/2026, filed in WBC, filed in the main WC6, wherein a prayer had been made. Oh, no, sorry. This instant matter concerning the religious rituals of Le'eniam Right Milliam. So after that, concerning the religious rituals known as Le'eniam Right Milliam has again received attention of this court by wherein, yes, a prayer has been made for suspension of the rituals which was scheduled to be held on 19/5/2026 on the reason that all the Mintri of Sankur and Kharvikur of Hima Milliam belong to the Christian faith, and therefore by their faith have become incapacitated to perform these rituals which belong to the indigenous Nyamkati faith. Stop. This court, by order dated, let's stay order dated 18/5/2026, considering the sensitivity of the matter, was then pleased to was then pleased to stay the performance of the said ceremony on 19/5/2026, while calling for notices to be issued to the parties concerned. With the parties concerned, as such, the matter has before this court today and stuff. On hearing learned counsel for the parties, so before adverting to the submissions made by learned counsel for the parties, it is to be noted that every year in Right Milliam, the ceremony known as Le'eniam Right Milliam is conducted, and which has been contended that only persons, representatives belong to Nyamkhasi faith from legible Sankur Khatwikur are to take part. Stop. However, it is to be noted also that as per custom, as per current custom, in the conduct of the rituals or the ceremonies of the Niyam right millennium, the responsibility rests with the Sankur Khatwikur, from where various mentees have been elected, or is responsible to Sankur Khatwikur to prepare and to conduct these rituals. Stop. The only question that rises now is the apprehension and the sentiment of the indigenous followers of Nyamkhasi faith that when the participation of converts, the rituals will not have its significance and sanctity. Stop. It is also noted that last year in 2025, a similar situation had arisen, whereby this court, whereby in the intervention of the court and after, what do you call it? Can we call it settlement between the parties or understanding between the parties? The rituals were performed, and the Sankur Khatwikur at that occasion had nominated members from their kurs who are not converts to perform the rituals. Stop. Today also, the next paragraph. Today, the same situation has unfolded, wherein prayers have been made that to ensure the sanctity of the rituals, that the Sankur Khatwikur perhaps nominate only the members who have not converted to Christianity or the other faiths and who still profess Nyamkhasi faith to perform the rituals. Stop. I have no objection to the presence of mantris who also have made all arrangements for conduct of these ceremonies. Stop. The learned councils have also advanced their arguments, and especially on behalf of respondent number 4, as to the importance of the Sankur Khatwikur in these proceedings. Stop. Any other submission of anyone? From the part of the Himalayan arguments. Respondent number 4. Huh? And before that, huh? That it was made to ensure the sanctity and things, that perhaps the Sankur Khatwikur nominate perform the ritual stuff. The next arguments have also been advanced, especially by respondent 4, represented here by Mr. K. Paul, Senior Counsel, with Mr. R. K. Sindram. Stop. Submissions have also been made on behalf of respondent whose Himalayan is respondent number 3, as well as input from the learned EAG. Stop. In the course of the hearing, in order to ensure that the rituals are carried out in a peaceful manner and not to offend the sensibilities of any group. The learned councils also have agreed to work towards objective, and especially with R.K. Sundram to inform the respondent before Sankur Kharvikur to nominate the members of their clan, of the Kurs who are not converts, to perform the rituals in consultation with the Lingdo of Milliam. Is that all right?
And the Mantris.
No, the Mantris, of course. Mantris they will nominate. Yes.
The Mantri.
Yes.
Mantri of Sankur.
Yes, they will nominate. The Mantris will nominate. Yes. It's also made clear that the
maybe fixed on 18th of June.
Who's that? Yes, this is matter day after tomorrow. Tomorrow's? Or tomorrow. This is matter tomorrow for instructions from number 4. You kindly instruct them. Yes. I'll modify the order a little bit. I'll just make it more. It seems the dictation is not gone well. Yes.
Daily list item number 1.
My lord, in this matter, I have challenged the impugn order dated.
Yes, this is a very contentious matter. Yes.
Yes, and then they have.
Yes,
Yes, MSPS Lombri.
They have. Your Lordship, may I?
Your Lordship, I had filed the affidavit. Yeah, I'm here, Your Lordship. I filed the affidavit yesterday.
They have filed the affidavit, and in this affidavit, Your Lordship,
I filed the affidavit yesterday, Your Lordship.
They have mentioned the 3 grounds that they have issued this order. One is that the pendency of the election petition, which is before the Mahkamah. Second, that there are lots of complaints against me, which I was never show cause. And the third is because there is some law and order problems that FIR was filed. Your Lordship, please allow me to take these 2 points just to show about
in the affidavit.
Yeah, in the affidavit.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that's correct.
In the affidavit. Your Lordship, the first allegation that they means that they were strongly objected last time. They said that there was an assault to the women of the Schnatreiten ring.
No. You want to file the joinder or not?
No, I'll find. But I just want to.
Then you file the joinder by 2 days. Then
okay,
after 1 week, yes.
Okay.
Your Lordship, I have to seek instruction, Your Lordship. I might file my affidavit, Your Lordship.
We don't. Whether you file, you don't file. Yes, an affidavit position has been filed by the respondents 1, 2, 3, and 4. So Mr. P. Dr. Praise to file the joinder within 1 week. Yes, MSF Kasim Young is present on behalf of respondent number 5. Step.
Number 5.
Yes.
I have one misinformation.
You want to file? You don't need to file, I think.
I asked for interim at least to have some meetings, all because the
1 week.
Lordship,
File the joinder first. Let's dispose of the matter. Yes. Don't you're selling land every day.
No, we are not selling land. The project is very clear here. We cannot do by ourselves. We need itself with the knowledge of.
They are, Your Lordship. They are selling land.
Yes.
This is much obliged.
Lordship.
Item number 2.
Where's Mr. Sheikh? He's not online.
He was just here, Your Lordship.
He was here physically?
Yes, Your Lordship.
We thought to be a virtual court today, yes. Yes. Where's Mr. Pasantiu?
Your Lordship, I am appearing for the petitioner here.
Where's the objection? What objection wanted to file? What objection wanted to file? None of a clue. Very fair. He's very frank with us. Don't have a clue. No. Don't know what the case is about. What is this miscase for what? What is this, Mr. Paske?
This is seeking leave to defend, Your Lordship.
To?
Leave to defend, as I was not a party.
Okay.
To the previous round of litigation.
Yes, sir. Mr. Marak, right? Areng, sorry. Praise for God for the 1 week's time to objections on the article number 6. This is the after and so on.
3.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Where I am awaiting instructions from the newly implemented respondent. Number 3. Yes. The contempt matter. Yes, and allow. Implemented 15.4. Yes. Not then. There was some confusion on it, so steps we took a little late. Yes, for the 1 week's time allowed for affidavit. Yes.
Oh, obliged.
Yes, the after and something.
May it please your lordship. This matter twice it has come out from mediation, but nothing could be settled here. So my humble submission, they've already filed a counter affidavit. So we'll also.
Hearing today?
It's in the order column.
Or no?
It's in the order column, your lordship.
You filed a jointer or no?
Yes,
or
sir. On the next date.
Yes. When did you file affidavit, Mr. Abraham?
Long time back. Quite some.
Long time back.
No, quite some.
No need for a jointer.
But in the meantime, no, because in between it has come in the mediation, nothing else.
Meditation and mediation are two different things.
Yes. So my humble submission allow us to file the rejoinder.
No, we'll do one thing. We'll post it plain after 3 weeks. You file rejoinder in the meanwhile. Yes. On the prayer of Mr. S. Walang, this matter for hearing after 3 weeks. Meanwhile, on the prayer of Walang, 3 weeks time is allowed for rejoinder. And this for hearing immediately thereafter. Yes.
Five.
Enough time given.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, your lordship. This matter just came back from mediation. Mediation could not happen because the parties were not present, whereas we were present. We have a strong belief that this matter could have easily been settled.
Why didn't come mediation?
Lordship.
You are for the petitioner. Why didn't the party appear mediation? Yes. What did she say?
She said that the parties did not receive the notice for mediation, lordship.
Okay. What's the matter about?
The matter is regarding the demolition of one particular house of the petitioner, as alleged. The matter pertains to the demolition of the residence of the petitioner by the respondents number 5 and 6. Whereas, lordship, that is their contentions. As a matter of fact, the house was funded by a government scheme, and the land which they were occupying does not belong to them. There were a few hiccups along the way, lordship, and which led to the demolition. Our contention is that the land belongs to the respondent number 7. So this matter.
No. Now what? Have you filed affidavit?
No, lordship, because we were banking on the mediation.
Affidavit has been filed. Who's 1 to 4?
The state.
You are for respondent number 8.
5, 6, and 7, lordship.
You have not filed.
No, lordship.
You file affidavit then?
Yes, lordship.
Yes, Mr. LC in praise for about 2 weeks then for affidavit. You're for number 8.
5, 6, 7, lordship.
Who's for number 8? None appears on behalf of respondent number 8. Number 8 is pro forma.
No, lordship.
Only 7. 8 is village implementing.
Lordship, prior to that, lordship, there was no such entity as this respondent number 8, which has been arrayed, lordship. But then corrections have been made, and it seems that they are the implementing agency which has been authorized by the state respondents.
Has number 8 been served? What's her name? Has number 8 been served or not? Has respondent number 8 been served? No, can't. Has number 8 been served or not? Becoming a disaster, this visual hearing. Has number 8 been served? Can you hear me? So when So. When is it served? Yes, none appears on my yet. Yes, we'll come physically, not we'll see who. Yes.
6.
Deeply obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of A.S. Pandey, and I'm praying for 2 days' time, Your
Where's the
Lordship.
petitioner? Yes. When was the matter filed? Soon last year. What's the matter about, Mr. Coach? Okay, further 2 weeks' time, as paid allowed for, affidavit by respondent number
224.
224. 1?
What's your right?
7.
Yes. Supposed to be on board the affidavit today. This matter has been filed since 2025. MS Emerichang Vice so-and-so submits the just received instructions. Those affidavits supposed to be on board today. In interest of justice, further 2 weeks' time allowed. Yes.
8. 8.
Yes, MF. BF Karon Lang. What about petition number 1723? Yes? Yes, they've been paid. They've released. This is matter after 2 weeks before the orders, yes. Okay, yes, yes, but Ms. MSB Karonlang prays without to file an application for pleadment for the necessary parties, that is state respondents. Prayers allowed, yes, just after 2 weeks.
10.
Yes. Further 2 weeks time is prayer allowed. Yes.
Highly obliged.
11.
Rejoinder.
11.
Why was the matter about?
Pending gratuity, Lordship. Pending gratuity.
Okay, further 2 weeks time is prayer allowed.
12. 12.
Lordship, here we have filed the affidavit of service, Lordship, for private respondent number 427.
427. Please. Yes, Mr. CCT Sangmo. Appearance on behalf of respondents 427. As such, notice is complete on all the respondents. Yes, affidavit has been filed.
Lordship, we have not filed the affidavit, but we have filed the minutes of the meeting, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I don't think a
Yes.
lordship affidavit would be
Yes.
necessary in our case.
Lordship, the matter may come after 1 week, Lordship.
You'll file affidavit. Yes, the appeal behalf was 2427. As such, those company often prays for, and has allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Just after 2 weeks, yes.
Apply your lordship.
13.
My lord, I have received a copy of the affidavit, Lord.
Yes.
Lordship, we are
Private resident are yet to file.
Lordship, we are yet to file our affidavit, Lordship. I am paying for 2 weeks time, Lordship. I appear on behalf of respondent number 7 to 10 and 12, Lordship.
You file in
We file your lordship, yes.
So, Mr. Sangma, you want to file a rejoinder to 1 to 6?
Yes, Lordship. We will file our rejoinder, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. GM Sangma. The praise about 2 weeks time to file rejoinder to the affidavit filed with response 1 to 6. Ms. S. Chanda, however, on behalf of the respondents 7 to 10 and 12, praise response allowed
3 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file affidavit. This for 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship.
Apply.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm paying for a short passover. Mr. SN is on his legs, my lord.
You are appearing here?
On behalf of the respondent 456.
What is the matter about?
This matter is regarding we were aggrieved. Matter was filed being aggrieved by the exercise of traffic control powers by the state
No,
of
but the
Assam.
thing is that now, is it still in structures now? Because they've restored the
My
medians,
senior
right?
has some instructions, my lord. He's on his legs. Can he take up after some time?
Yeah, they already obliged. There's nothing left here. They've restored the medians, correct?
Actually, the medians are already open.
Yeah.
They
Open.
did not specifically mention which median and was arbitrarily closed. There are only 2 medians, and they are open. And they are
Can he
going
take it up after some time?
If they record the presence, list after 2 weeks for instructions, yes. We will close it.
Apply your lordship.
much obliged.
15.
Lordship, in this matter, I'm the respondent number 6. But actually, in my entire marrying to the deceased husband since 1998, I never know the existence of the petitioner. That she is his wife. I had 4 children. I took care of them. All they have made in the petition, actually, it is a wrong statement expression of ours. And I'm ready with affidavit, but the respondent could not come to site because he stayed at site Ursula site. So due to the road problem, he could not come up to some more time. So I can.
This SD Sama, she was here earlier on. Last time, no one appeared also.
I'm there, Your Lordship, for item 15.
Where are you? Who?
Lordship.
Where are you? W. Rumbai. You're for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. I could not on my video, Your Lordship.
Why you can't on your video?
No, it's not working, Your Lordship. There is some technical issues.
But audio is very clear. Yes, when, how much time?
Most probably, I
What was
really
one
don't
number
know, but
5?
it depends on me if they come. Which can come from Ursula.
5.
Is this all?
1 to 4 already filed.
My lord, we will file.
Your correspondent number? 5. Mr. P. Dokrut. The respondent number? 6. Praise for. And first we have MSEB Pasa on behalf of number 5. Mr. Dokrut on behalf of number 6. Pray for the 2 weeks time to file affidavit. This thereafter and so on.
16.
May please, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I'm praying if this matter can be taken at the end of the board, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship,
Very well,
the instructions are with Leonard's senior Lordship. He's before courtroom number 1, Lordship. if it can be taken at the end of
What
the
is the
board
matter
session.
about?
My lords, they are seeking a new electricity connection. My lords, have you, my lords?
No, Lordship, it's not. It's incorrect,
They
Lordship.
pointed out an
Here what has
alternative
happened is
remedy,
first,
my lords.
Oh, yes.
They had to come back with instructions whether they will withdraw the matter or not.
Yes.
Very well, my lords.
After some time.
70.
My lords, I am appearing for the petitioner
Yes,
in
yes.
17, my lord. There's an application filed for setting aside of the or modification of the interim order that was passed on 13 March 26, my lord. And at the same time, they have also filed the counter affidavits, my lord. My lord, today I have sought for instructions from my clients, my lord. The instructions are yet to receive. Kindly allow me 3 weeks time, my lord.
When was this filed?
Lordship,
13 May.
I am appealing for the respondents, NIPCO,
Yes.
and we have already filed the affidavit in opposition so far the writ petition is concerned. Now, the petitioner has obtained an ex parte ad interim order, by which order he has stalled the selection process. Now, I have filed the application for vacating that order under Article 226, Clause 3 of the Constitution of India, which requires the application to be disposed of within 15 days, and in the event it is not disposed, the interim order stands automatically vacated. Now, my allegation against the writ petitioner is this, that writ petitioner has obtained this order by concealment of the material facts and misrepresented the facts, which led this honorable court to pass the ex parte ad interim order. Now, your lordship will find that so far the advertisement is concerned. Advertisement is Annexure 1 of the writ petition.
Yes.
Page 1. Page 17.
Page 17, yes.
17 of the writ petition. Your lordship will find the writ petitioner has not applied to the post in response to the advertisement.
Is that applied?
The question of he did not apply. The question of his selection or non-selection does not arise because he did not have the requisite qualifications, and therefore he did not apply. So he derives no right so far the advertisement is concerned. Now, your lordship, coming to the position is this, your lordship, there were total 14 vacancies, and as per the board regulation, one vacancy from the unreserved post. Unreserved posts were 9. So out of the unreserved post, one post was reserved for the unreserved category of the persons, and that post was circulated white circular dated 17th March 2025, page 25 of the writ petition, Annexure 2, which requires your lordship 15 years of experience in NIPCO.
Yes.
My friend, the writ petitioners, your lordship, and this is an internal circular. Yes. And in order to fill up one post, you are one, unreserved one, because one post was kept reserved out of the total number of the post. Executive training, electric mechanical E2 grade from eligible departmental candidate application and invited from willing employees who possess the requisite town qualifications. The qualification which was required, 15 years experience in NIPCO. this petitioner applied in response to this internal circular, and after the selection process, it was found that there are 4 candidates who have applied. There were 4 candidates who have applied in response to this circular, and application of 3 persons were found to be in order, and selection committee prepared the select list. Your Lordship will come to page number, Your Lordship, 8 of my affidavit in opposition.
Are we hearing finally today?
No, not hearing finally. I just want to say the interim order, either it should not be continued, or it has to be, because my whole selection process is stalled. Your Lordship will find there were select list was prepared, and there were 3 persons in order of merit who were placed in the merit list. Appointment was given to the number 1. And after that, this select list has come to an end.
Okay.
Now, my learned friend says that thereafter some other vacancies arose, and those vacancies were for OBC and SC caste. Your Lordship will see circular page 31 of the writ petition, lecture 5. October 2025. 2 vacancies arose, that is for 1 for SC and 1 for OBC. Your Lordship will find circular dated 23rd October 2025. Applications are invited from eligible and willing departmental candidates for filling up the following post: 2 posts of executive trainee, electrical mechanical, OBC 1, SC 1. And both the writ petitioner do not belong to this category. They belong to scheduled tribe category. Their scheduled tribe certificates are annexed as lecture 1 and 2.
Yes.
But this circular also does not confer him any indefeasible right, Your Lordship. So what he wants, that without undergoing the selection process, they should be appointed. And that is, Your Lordship, there is no rule as such. So my humble prayer at this junction will be there. Either Your Lordship may not extend the interim order.
So now, if I understand correctly, Mr. General, like this, there was first an advertisement which was made, that the first advertisement for unreserved post 1, correct?
Your Lordship, he did not apply.
Now he applied. You say there was yes. Then there was.
They did not apply.
Then how was he selected? How was he impaneled then?
No, they were not impaneled. There is no impanelment list prepared.
See,
only the select list was prepared.
Just come to page 7 of the petition, para 10. See, now you come first 17305, right? Now you come to para 10 of the petition.
Yes, sir.
You kindly see, yes.
That the petitioner being fully eligible applied for the said post.
Yes.
They were called for interview and appeared before the selection committee at the NIPCO Corporate Office, Shillong on 3/6/2025.
Yes.
This is in response to Your Lordship circular, internal circular, not for the advertisement. Because for there was a special qualification prescribed which both the writ petitioner, they did not have.
My senior has
One
completely
post-
missed out the point. My lord, this is an interdepartmental. The 10% is always reserved. So
Yes.
obviously I will apply for the reserve seat because I'm an in-service candidate. The point was that now even they have not even annexed, my lord, the select list. The select list will show because my empanelment, my lord, was for 6 months. My question was, when at the time when the qualification, eligibility qualification experience was for 15 years.
You reduce
15
it to 5
in
years.
this Yes, they have reduced to 5 years.
So if
was
I understand
select number-
correctly, see, Mr. General, please listen. If I understand correctly, the case Mr. Yubin is that from in-service, a candidate, there's a certain quota for them for promotion, correct?
Yes.
And then the
Yes.
eligibility was that they have 15 years of working organization. Now, if they are aggrieved by the fact that they might have been selected now, but as per the other circular, reduce the eligibility to 5 years. So it enlarges the scope, and so that decreases their scope for promotion and enlarges the scope of competition. So that, I think if that's the case, yes, is that the case?
Yes, my lord.
No, your lordship. He further says, your lordship, that qualifications, 15 years experience, your lordship will see circular dated 17th March 2025.
Mr. Jindal, I think we'll hear this matter finally. If you want to file a rejoinder, Mr. Yubin.
Yes, my lord. I would like to file a small objection, response to
Because
application file under close. Yes, my lord.
No, but then there was filed this objection. When was this application 22635 filed?
My lord, this I've received on 12th of May, my lord. 12th of May. 12th of May.
It was filed last week.
Instructions
So one week ago it was filed.
Filed on 12th May.
Yes, so we'll take this matter of consideration on the 1st of June. Yes.
2nd of June, my lord.
2nd of June, okay.
3rd of June, because first and second I have matter in
Then
Itanagar.
15 days will be over. 15 days will be over.
No, it'll be over if it's not taken off consideration. Once a matter of consideration, it can be extended. There are many judgments. Everything is.
My lord.
Your lordship
On 3rd, yes. 3rd June.
Yes, my lord.
18.
And we dispose of the entire matter also. Mr. Jindal, I'm prepared to dispose the entire matter.
Let this matter come up for admission hearing.
Yes, on 3rd of June, yes. You will dispose it of, yes.
And it will be disposed of on
Yes.
that day.
Right, 3rd of June, yes.
And date is first June.
3rd June.
3rd June.
Lordship will need time, your lordship. Week's time can be allowed.
Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship.
As paid for the 2 weeks' time.
Lordship. Highly obliged.
19.
May it please, Lordship.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, we've already
The petitioner in this case seeking direction for constitution of Pharmacy Council of India, my lord. The
elections.
issue is
Oh, yes,
quite
yes,
old one.
elections.
Pharmacy Council.
Who's
of
appearing?
India, my
Hello, sir. Except
for respond number 1 and 2, my lord, I am appearing. Respond number 3, 1, 2, 3, I am appearing, my lord. 4 is being represented by Ivan, sir.
Yes, your name?
I see.
Lalu. Who's appearing?
1, 2, 3.
For respond number 1, 2, 3, Lalu is assisting me, my lord, and for respond number 4, Ivan Sara Simli is appearing, my lord.
Yes, MS I simply attended appearance on behalf of number 4 today. As I notice, complete all the respondents. We want to, how much time for affidavit?
Your lordship kindly give sufficiently long time because it's a very old issue, my lord. The council has not been constituted. We'll have to take some steps
3 weeks
in law to take it.
Yes,
3 weeks.
they pray for about 3 weeks time to file affidavits. Yes, thereafter and so on. So on. Yes. God bless.
20.
They were directed to take instructions regarding the release of my salary, my lord, that is pending since 2024 July.
Lordship, we're awaiting instructions. I'm praying for some time.
How can you go to pay the 24?
Your Lordship, here the difficulty is that there were no extension orders given to the
petitioners, Your Lordship.
But were they working by order of the court?
Yes.
No, Your Lordship, because they were instructed to participate in the recruitment process.
No, but were they still continuing the orders of the court? Yes or
Your
no?
Lordship, the orders of the court came later on, Your Lordship. But the extension orders was not given to them since 24.
Orders of the court was given when?
Your Lordship, here because there were quite a few rounds of litigation.
No, the orders of the court that
They were always under
service
protection.
was when? You have to pay them.
Your Lordship, we're just awaiting some instructions from the personal department and the finance department as well.
MSSA country submits that instructions are still awaited. Stop. MSSA country submitted that the petitioners have never been out of service due to the fact that they've been protected by orders of the court. This matter for 1 week.
Interim may kindly be
For specific instructions, interim
Your
orders.
Lordship, I'm for
Yes,
Your Lordship,
continue.
I'm for respondent 6 in this matter. Your Lordship.
Okay, yes.
Item
We have
21
covered.
is a connected matter, Your Lordship.
21.
Item 21 is a connected matter.
In both matter below, the interim order is there. May kindly be extended. Obliged.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Second call, supplementary 1.
Yes, where's Mr. Nat?
He's appearing through VCU.
What's happened to him?
Maybe some technical issues, my lord.
He doesn't know how to operate a laptop.
Not.
He doesn't know. Yes, he said that.
Lot difficulty in there.
Oh yes, he's on the yes. Yes. Where's Mr. Sin? He's on legs.
No, Your Lordship.
Call him. Yes, you take notice. What's the matter about?
This matter, I think, what the petitioner is saying, confirmation. Formal confirmation is not yet done by the university. So I have already, in fact, sent. I'm just obtained the instruction on this.
Heard MS Amar Marak. Okay, we record Mr. H.R. Nath, even though he's silent. He has heard Mr. H.R. Nath. Issue notice. Mr. S. Sen is present. Therefore, on behalf of all the respondents, no further notice required. Stop. He plays funds allowed. How much time? 1 week's time to obtain instructions. Yes.
All right.
Daily 16. 16.
You, MS Marak, you inform your senior that notice 1 week. Okay.
If this matter can be taken up tomorrow, Lordship, then Lordship, Learned Senior is still on legs before courtroom number 1, Lordship.
But nothing
Tomorrow,
going on
Lordship.
courtroom number 1 now.
Lordship,
matter is over. I was there.
Yes. So?
Lordship may have it tomorrow, Lordship.
You withdraw it then?
Lordship, tomorrow, Lordship, I'm praying, Lordship.
You take recourse to alternate efficacious remedy like this, eh?
Yes.
Yes. Did you find an objection? No.
No, my lords. We're on the ground of maintainability.
No, they have not, Lordship.
Then, regarding electric connection, naturally it's a consumer complaint.
Lordship. But here, Lordship, what has happened is I am a third party, Lordship. So, otherwise, also, Lordship, they could not have issued a notice as against us, Lordship. That is our case, Lordship.
Third party, he is the main party, my lord. He is the main party, and he has been taking connection in the same premises from one name, second name, third name, and he is not paying the electricity dues, my lord. This is purely electricity complaint only, my lord.
Lordship may have it tomorrow or any other day, Lordship, subject to your Lordship's convenience, Lordship.
Yes. After 1 week, due to unavailability of the arguing counsel for the petitioner.
Hello.
Hearing, supplement 7.
Matter was heard at length day before.
Where's the list? You made the list?
I filed a
Mr.
chronological
Pascal,
list of dates.
where's the list?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You made the list?
I filed a chronological list of dates, Your Lordship.
This is filed by. Okay. See, Mr. Paske, the thing is, whatever it may be, the thing is a probate court. What does the what does the probate court do? Probate court will not go into title. Now your case is a bit complicated in the sense that there was a settlement, right? Final settlement between the petitioner here or appellant and one Atul Marak, correct? As per the deed of family settlement or settlement, 6 properties went to the appellant, and 3 properties.
Both the appellants.
No, to both the appellants.
Both
right?
the
Okay.
appellants.
Yes, to both appellants, 6 properties went, and 3 properties were in the name of late Atul Marak. Right. So, as per the settlement, that means he had those properties with him. Now, the second part is that he has willed the property to the respondent here, yes, which they object to. Now, the objection cannot be founded on title, because a probate court will not decide a title. A probate court is only to examine the genuineness of a will, whether it's executed in a proper manner, and whether it can pass the scrutiny of the court. Then, after notice is issued on that event, then the probate is granted. Now when the probate is granted, you file for revocation. Correct. Your challenge is on that is a fraudulent deed. Your sense what is it? That
No,
the fraudulent will.
My challenge was, my lord, that the probate order was obtained fraudulently, my lord. Behind the back, my lord. No notice was issued to
Not
the
only thing yes. So you as per the settlement, which has found a sanction of this court also, that means in normal course you would have no interest in the properties anymore. Correct? Because you can't fight title in a probate court. You can only fight as to genuineness of the will or whether the probate has been granted wrongly. So the thing is that it would be incumbent on the court to give you a hearing, that's all. And if the will is proved to be genuine, the witnesses are examined that yes, the will has been executed in a proper manner, then the probate stands. Then if you have issues about title, you are left your own devices where you can go and resort to other remedies.
Yes,
that is the the realm of probate.
Your Lordship, here the witness has been examined. Witness has been examined, Your Lordship.
But not examined by them, because whatever it is, they are saying that the will is fraudulent.
Your Lordship, now
they are saying that the will is not a genuine will. Correct.
Your Lordship, their contention is not about the will. Their contention is that the will which was executed was as per the settlement deed that my father had executed in my favor. Now, as per the deed of settlement which was placed before this court and accepted, so those 3 properties are was with my father, who willed it to me. The rest are with the appellants herein. Now, they want the entire 9 properties to be given to them, Your Lordship.
No, see, Mr. Pasi, if you understand, please try to understand. They are not seeking title from. You cannot seek a declaration of title from Probate Court. The Probate Court Instruction Act cannot decide title. The only thing the Probate Court can do is examine the veracity or the genuineness of the will. And the only thing that what happens that suppose you might have even a faint interest in a property. Now Atul Marak, he executed that will, right? Now only the court was satisfied that the will was executed in a proper manner. That's all. And so, like regarding title, no title. If it's a proper manner, then the probate will stand. And if they can show that the will, if they say that the will is a contrived document, then the title is different. Because suppose you might say that the property was willed to the respondent, but suppose the will is forged. Just assuming. Suppose it was contrived will. That's the only thing. If you look, I'll give you another opportunity. You read because that's the only thing.
Your Lordship may see.
And the thing is that what is wrong? What is wrong with the order of the probate court is that summarily these people, rightly or wrongly, the appellant was a wife of Atul Marak, correct? Yes. So that's the thing.
Was, Your Lordship,
was fine, was whatever.
But the daughter is there.
But the daughter remains. The daughter remains the daughter.
But daughter is there, my lord.
So no.
Daughter remains.
The only thing is that now we confine. See, just listen to the court. Yes, fine. That's apart. Now we confine to the legality of the order passed by probate court in holding that the entire matter is part of res judicata. That's all. So whether res judicata can be brought in at all, that's the only thing you have to argue. So you prepare yourself on those lines. Remember, probate court cannot decide title. Mr. Woman, remember that you cannot claim title in the probate court. And only thing we confine ourselves now is whether the order dismissing the appellant's the application for revocation of probate on the ground res judicata is sustainable. That's all. You understand?
My argument, my lord. My contention is, my lord, even if the court has passed an order on res judicata is a mixed question of law and facts, my lord. Evidence should have been taken, my lord. Issue should have been framed. On the threshold, just rejected my application, my lord, on res judicata. That is my
So we look only at the legality and justifiability of the order of the judge. That's all. Other things we cannot mix them up because title will not come in.
And in fact, my lord, there was an order passed by this honorable court to hear the misapplication.
And this court is very clear also. Because after yesterday I had the opportunity to look at the file. So that's why I'm speaking like off the cuff. The thing is, this court also had said that we're not going to merits of the matter. Not going to merits of the matter. You go and approach you go and file the application. That was done by Mr. Momin's file. But then now we only have to examine whether that order hearing the application filed by the appellant was disposed of in accordance with law. That's all. That's the only thing. And the only reason given without giving it is that res judicata. So whether res judicata can come in at all to clinch the issue, like to shut them out. That's the only thing. Or whether it deserve proper hearing, or whether they have to really examine, whether res judicata would be applicable at all. That's the only thing. You understand, Mr. Paske?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Very interesting
Because
case.
here the order
And you
that
see,
was passed
probate
by
law
your
is like
Lordship.
it's something else.
The order that was passed by Your Lordship was on the presumption and the presumption.
We'll not go to any presumption. The only thing is, they were allowed to put an application for revocation. They did whatever they filed, application for revocation appropriate. Now the court disposed it off by seeing part of the educator. He's agreed with that. We limited only to that part only. No title, no claim, nothing. Only that part. You understand?
As of now.
No, whatever it is.
As of now, Your Lordship, the entire exercise is for the title, Your Lordship.
But probate court can't grant that.
But we are before this honorable court being aggrieved by the impugned order, my lord, passed by the judge.
Exactly. That is why we confine ourselves to impugned order only. Whether the court is right in dismissing
my lord,
the application or is, that's all. You prepare yourself. We'll have after 2 weeks. Yes. Very interesting. In fact, very interesting case. And you can assess the court properly, it will generate a very good judgment because the will is one part, the settlement is one part. If you read it, you'll say that Mr. Moomin's client has to be totally shut out. Because the settlement was there, and you read the will, it seems to be a continuation of the settlement. Only that the testator died. I mean, that the testator, the person who was settled the 3 schedule, he is willed it to his son, who happens to be witness of the will also. Whether the will is contrived or whether it's anyway. But on that, what we're not going to go there. Only on the point of whether the court was right in holding the registrator and dismissing your application. That's all. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The drift, like they say, yes. Okay. Yeah, so you won't, like yesterday, we were arguing all over the place. We don't want that. Just you channelize it in a proper manner. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello. Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Very interesting case, my lord.
Very interesting. You don't get such matters.
Yes.
Where's MSPS nobody?
My lord, these are all transfer petitions, my lord. Lordship has heard. my
Yes,
lord.
no, we've heard.
And,
We're only waiting for. We're only waiting for the point submission of district council.
Lordship, kindly grant me one last chance, Your Lordship, because this matter was conducted by previous council, Your Lordship. I need to do thorough research, Your Lordship. on
1
behalf of
week.
Mr. Constable.
My lord, Lordship has heard it, and we have everything is clear. Issue
Everything is clear.
Your Lordship, I would like to file my written submissions, Your Lordship.
Files are filled up, my lord. Only
In
thing
1
is
week.
that the
Yes.
accused are
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
witnesses will be hard to come after long delay of trial, my lord. That is the only concern I have, my lord. Either way, whether without district council.
You
or
didn't
not,
see that there's a conviction of a policeman after 29 years after the thing happened. So
not 20, not in the at least victims should get justice earlier.
Yes.
Yes.
So last opportunity.
36.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Please, Lordship.
My lord, these are connected matters. Your Lordship has 22 to 26 and 27 to 32, my lord. These are
Praying for
connected
some
matters.
accommodation, Lordship. Not ready today, Lordship. This matter we have actually missed out from the cost list.
Mr. Barshaji is ready. The matter is returned back for mediation.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
It has gone for mediation.
This is the matter for hearing when?
Come in the usual course.
After 2 weeks. Deeply obliged.
Obliged, my lord.
It will be unsuccessful.
47. 47.
Obliged.
Yes. What's the matter about?
Lordship, this is I have this case where I have been scammed of rupees 3 lakhs, Lordship, by a fraudster, Lordship. Here, Lordship, so I have filed one complaint before the ombudsman, and through the ombudsman, they have replied, Lordship. What they have said, Lordship, in the reply that the money has been retrieved. My lord will see page 29, Lordship.
Of your petition.
Of my writ petition, Lordship. Before that, my lord will kindly see page 28. This is the cover.
I can't make out what is this such small print. Yes.
Well, I'll just read out, Lordship.
Yeah.
I'll read the operative part, Lordship. This is from the bank officials. They have informed to the ombudsman, Lordship, and from the ombudsman they have intimated to me, Lordship. We wish to inform you that an amount of rupees 2,90,014 has been credited to an account holder of Axis Bank.
Where are you reading from?
My lord, here I'm just reading the operative part, Lordship.
From which page?
Page 29.
Which line?
Line, Lordship.
It's very small, my lord.
14 from bottom, Lordship. That first paragraph. That heading is Bipin Mathur.
1 second. Bipin here. Oh, yes, I hear Bipin Mathur. Dear sir / madam.
Yes, Lordship. That paragraph.
Then after that?
So here, Lordship, they have given the number in all. So I'll just skip. I'll come.
Yes. To para 11.
This will be. Yeah. Para 11, Lordship. We used to state that the complaint holds an account with the State Bank.
Oh, wait. Oh, yes, okay. We wish, yes, I got it.
Yes,
we
Lordship.
wish to state, yes. What do you want to say? Yes.
We used to state that this is
You're a
from
complainant.
no, my lord. This is yes. This is from the bank official bank authorities, Lordship. This is from Axis Bank.
Yes.
We used to state that the complaint holds an account with State Bank. The complaint claims that he has been a victim of fraud, wherein he had initiated the below transaction in his account and has been requested to recall the same. That he has been a victim of fraud, wherein the same. He has transaction narration 14 November 2023.
Why you
14
want this is
Well, I'll just give the type copy, Lordship. This is Lordship.
It's very
Lordship.
difficult actually.
Lordship.
So what do you want to show by this?
My lord, here they have retrieved the amount, Lordship. The amount
Retrieve from your account.
That amount is lying in the account of the Proster, Lordship. They hold the account. They freeze the account, Lordship. That money was lying
In a, no,
in the account of the Proster, Lordship.
Who are you?
I am the my lord. Here I have been escaped, Lordship. Scam, Lordship. I have deposited. I have made to NFT, Lordship, in the name of Ambuja Cement, Lordship. But the money did not, instead of going to the into the account of Ambuja Cement, it has gone into the account of a Proster, Lordship.
Okay.
Proster. Now I file a complaint case before the ombudsman saying that I have given the details that IFC Court of Guwahati, but the bank officials has transferred the account into a having the IFC Court in Delhi, Lordship.
Okay.
They have changed the IFC Court.
Okay.
So as a result of which the amount has been given into the into a Proster account.
Order account here.
Now when I lost a complaint, they have given a reply that the bank official, Lordship, both from
reply.
Yes, Axis Bank as well as the State Bank. Now in the reply they said that some amount has been lying in the account of the Proster. Unless he give a consent for reversal, so we cannot reverse the amount into the account of the beneficiary, that is to me, Lordship.
That Froster has to give his.
That is the response they have given.
How is that absurd? That's absurd.
So I'll keep a tight copy, Lordship.
Now the Froster's claim is that the amount just mistakenly came to his account.
No, my lord, Froster, his whereabout is not known. Now the bank officials file an affidavit saying that that amount has already been given to some other beneficiaries, some other victims of fraud, Lordship. So I'll, my lord, it's okay, any other day, Lordship.
Okay, we'll have after one day.
Yeah, all right, Lordship.
Lordship, I am appearing for response number 1, Reserve Bank of India in this case, madam.
Yes, Sarika.
There is a law prohibitory order because of that from the side of SBI it was informed that there is a law prohibitory order. Therefore, that account could not be operated, madam. That account money is holding up there, madam.
Who's holding up the money?
That cybercrime case was registered against that person, madam. Therefore, that account was frozen.
Okay.
The Lordship will find that Annexure A at page 10 of that affidavit filed by the Reserve Bank of
My
India.
prayer was that whatever you have stated in the reply.
What is the amount involved that you fraud?
My lord, 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. You paid for
2
cement.
lakhs 90, yes, Lordship. And I have given a check in the name of Ambuja Cement, Lordship. And given.
That means you say that this scam happened at the level of the bank itself.
My lord, I have given a IFC code. My lord will for a moment.
IFC code is fine. If you given a check and an IFSC code,
yes,
that means I'm just trying to understand.
Yes, Lordship.
So that even if a check also, it's not a digital payment.
Digital payment, Lordship.
RTGS, Lordship.
RTGS.
Oh, that's not a check.
RTGS payment. RTGS
Okay.
payment. RTGS. So my contention is that I have given the IFC code of Guwahati. Now, because they have given an account number and IFC code. That IFC code belongs to the Axis Bank of Guwahati.
So are you sure that you're not cheated, that some fraudulent Ambuja account?
Maybe he has impersonated himself to be the manager of Ambuja Cement, Lordship. That is the thing.
Because even what's happening now, you see, suppose you have a petrol pump, right?
Yes.
Now you pay same way. Some little tweak in the system.
Yes. Same thing happened here,
For
Lordship.
fuel and it goes to some other account. It's happening.
Same thing happened. The fraudster
It's a
identified.
dangerous world.
But Lordship, on behalf of SBI, whatever details have been entered by the petitioner has been taken into account, and our affidavit clearly shows that.
We'll hear him
Yes.
After 2 weeks, Lord.
Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
You're appearing for Axis Bank. Who's appearing for Axis Bank?
Nobody is appearing for Axis Bank.
Then you're appearing for whom?
We're all for SBI.
Okay.
After 2 weeks, Lord.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lovely.
I think no, this is not mine.